what a rain this is. As this is rainy season, there's going to be a lot of rain in Bangladesh. The trees are more greener. That road right there, our road will be flooded. A lot of things will be happening in rainy season as this is heavy rain. This is just very cold outside right now. So yeah. In Bangladesh, this is a season that happens where this is how our crops are always fertile. I know there's going to be a huge flood in that field. It's heavy rain, almost heavy. So yeah. Anyway, these are here just to make our crops fertile. So yeah, Alhamdulillah. After rainy season, we will have a lot of crops. So after the hills and they are done, it might flood. But that's alright. I said all I know about rainy season. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe. Until next time. Bye.